Hello student, welcome you all. Today we discuss the practical number 5 and the title of this practical number 5 is Program to Fill Polygon. So first of all, what is meant by the polygon? So the polygon is a chain of connected line segments. So the example of the polygon is triangle, rectangle, then pentagon, hexagon. These are the example of the polygons, and these polygons is a chain of connected line segments. For filling polygons with particular color, you need to determine the pixels falling on a border of the polygon on those which fall inside the polygon. So here in this practical, we fill the color in a polygon. Okay, so we discussed in a theory lecture so what is meant by polygon and the filling algorithms of the polygon. So here in this practical we discuss the flood fill algorithm, and by using this flood fill algorithm we fill the polygon, we fill color in a polygon. Okay, so in a flood fill algorithm, in this flood fill algorithm we start with some seed pixel and examine the neighboring pixel. Okay, firstly we consider the start with the seed pixel and then examine the neighboring pixel in this seed pixel. Okay, so however the pixels are checked for a specified interior color. Then first in a flood fill algorithm, first we check the interior color. If the interior color, if we check that this interior color is a old color, okay, then we replace it in a new color. Okay, so in a flood fill algorithm, the pixels are checked for a specified interior color instead of the boundary color. Okay, so we checked only the interior color in a polygon, okay, and the replaced by a new color. Okay, so it can be done using the 4 connected and the 8 connected region method. So procedure of this flood fill algorithm, there is a 4 parameters in a flood fill algorithm. First is the target color, then replacement color, and our seed pixel and the neighboring pixel. Okay, so the first, if the target color is equal to the replacement color, then return. If the color of the node is not equal to the target color, then return, and set the color of a node to the replacement color. 4. Perform the flood fill. So perform a flood fill algorithm. So here this is the pseudocode of this flood fill algorithm. Okay, so firstly we include the header files, that is hash include graphics.h, stdi.h, conio.h and the dos.h. Then here the function is used, that is void flood fill function is used. In this flood fill function, int x, int y, int old color and the int n color, that is new color, and these 4 parameters are declared by using data type int. Okay, that is x, y, old color and the new color. Then here is the condition, that is get pixel of xy is equal to old color. Then we fill, that is then we replace the old color to a new color. Okay, then if we get pixel xy is a old color, then here is the put pixel xy is a new color, and this is the 4 connected region, that is the flood fill of the x plus 1 y, new color, old color, x minus 1 y, new color, old color, x y plus 1, new color, old color, x y minus 1, new color, old color. And by using this flood fill function, here this is the 4 connected region, 4 connected region coordinates is put here as a parameter, that is x1 plus 1 x plus 1 y minus x minus 1 y, x y plus 1 and x y minus 1, and this is the new color, old color. Okay, so the main function here is the start the main function, and in this main function we declare the graphics driver, graphics mode, and the here we fill the circle. Okay, so we filling the circle. Here the there is a xy coordinate and the radius of the circle parameter is used. Okay, so clear screen, by using the clear screen we clear the our screen, that is the output screen, that is previous one we entered in a output. Okay, then here the init graph function is used, that is the AND GD and GM, that is the graphics driver and graphics mode, and these are the access specify these are the so by using this AND operator we give the address of this graphics driver and the graphics mode in a init graph function, and here we put the path, that is the C colon then turbo C VGA, that is the graphics, basic graphics, this folder, BGA folder. Okay, then we use the printf and scanf function, that is the xy position of the circle, then scan this percent d and percent d, then address of this x and y. Okay, then printf, enter the radius. First of all we enter the xy position of the circle and then enter the radius. Okay, then scanf, here they scan the radius, that is access the radius value. Okay, so by using this circle function, here we put the x and y and the radius of the circle. By using this, user can put the xy coordinates and also the radius, and here the flood fill function is used, that is xy coordinate and the white is the border of this white is a border color of this of our polygon. Okay, this delay function is used to the time interval, for the time interval. Okay, so here the close graph and the getCS function is used for closing the graph and closing the our program. Okay, so basically in a flood fill algorithm we fill the color in a polygon, and here is the 4 connected region. By using this 4 connected and by using this flood fill function we fill the color in a circle. Okay, and here the circle function is used, that is x and y and radius, and this white is the border color of our polygon. Okay, so here is the output, that is we first of all printf, in a printf function we put in a printf function, that is enter the xy position of the circle, and we here put the x and y position of the circle, that is x and y position of the circle, that is 100 and 100, and then enter the radius of the circle, that is 50. Here we enter the radius of the circle 50, and this 100 and 100 is goes to the in a scanf, that is they put the 100 and 100 values and we get the output. Okay, then after that we enter the radius of the circle, and this x and y coordinates and the radius is goes to circle functions, and by using this flood fill algorithm we fill the color, that is the white color. Okay, and the border color is also a white color. Okay, so if any doubt in this, please contact me. Thank you so much.